Accidents and incidents involving liquid petroleum gas, or LPG, are a worldwide problem. They're dangerous, costly, and yet avoidable. Correct procedure training when dealing with hazardous substances like LPG is crucial when it comes to the safety of your workforce, customers, and property. Fortunately, finding experienced and trustworthy experts to carry out this specialist training is simple. Wherever you're located, LPG Training have the British standards and are leading the way in training and assessment.
LPG's response to inquiries, requests is second to none.
All of the assessment documentation that we've ever had from LPG Training has always been to a high standard.
They deliver exactly what they say they will. Ask them anything and they will deliver it.
Established for over a decade, UK-based LPG Training are a specialist training provider catering for LPG natural gas, oil, water and electrical competence courses.
We do two sets of qualifications. One is a mandatory qualification for people that wish to become gas safe or maintain their gas safe registration, and a secondary qualification that we do for people that fall outside of the gas safety regulations but still need to prove competence. We've developed qualifications for the likes of network rail, road marking people, boat safety, anyone with a real use for LPG.
Whatever your requirements, from smallest to the largest, we can provide bespoke courses.
We chose LPG because quite clearly they could offer a one-stop shop package through development of policy and standards right through to developing training frameworks and also delivering the training.
5 years ago we entered into agreement with Network Rail to deliver training and assessment. There was a need at that time for a dedicated qualification that would cover their equipment they use, which is rather specialised.
We basically outlined a framework and a scope of a project. LPG came back with not only the scope, but went above and beyond that scope.
We offer many courses, not just from our training centre, but throughout the UK and across Europe, with our dedicated mobile operation.
We can take the training and assessment to the customer. It's quite unique, especially amongst caravan parks, where we cater exclusively for their needs.
They've developed a bespoke solution for us, which enables us to carry out the testing and the exams on our own park. We can go to their units down in Deeside, obviously to get our lads through the gas safe courses, but what the mobile unit enabled them to do was actually do all the training and all the exams on the park, which meant that our lads were just turning up for work as normal, and then that way they went home as normal without any added pressure.
We like to make it very relaxed for customers. It works wonders because it helps them not only through the assessments and so on, it helps our job too.
Using British standards, LPG design a course specifically for you, in your language.
In 2005, we formed a partnership with Logic Certification. When we develop a training course for a customer in a particular sector, we approach Logic Certification for approval of that course. They'll hopefully be happy with it and then they'll agree to certificate it.
We've always found LPG Training to be a very professional organisation to work with. Ian, who runs LPG Training, is an expert in his field and we have recognised that throughout, and he's been very helpful to us as a business as well, as sometimes we've needed his technical expertise and he's acted as a consultant for us in several aspects.
To do is slap the top over.
We understand the needs of our clients. Training is high quality and effective in a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. Our skilled team will educate and support you through even the most demanding assessments. Over the years, businesses and organisations of all sizes have turned to Ian and his team to take care of their training.
All our trainers and assessors are fully qualified. They hold the appropriate qualifications for the courses that they're training and assessing. And they constantly undergo reassessment and training themselves to maintain our status as an approved centre.
British standards are the highest in the world, and so here at LPG Training, we offer a bespoke service tailored to your local requirements. We can even offer a bilingual service.
We currently deliver training and assessment in France, and we deliver it in French and in English. There was no suitable qualification in France for our customers to use, so we developed a qualification for them that would enable them to carry out this work safely and legally.
Safety is vital, so protect your business and call LPG Training.
I would recommend LPG Training to any business involved within the LPG industry. Their expertise and knowledge is second to none.
Anybody within Network Rail would strongly recommend LPG as a company to form a partnership with.
I find that it's no problem to me to recommend them to everybody. They are definitely the #1 provider.